Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Today we are going to discuss how to implement higher order thinking questions in the classroom. Asking higher order thinking questions in the classroom is a classical approach that generates a big academic stroke. If we somehow remove all the class activities and technological support currently being used in lesson design, what is left behind with educators? The teacher's natural ability to share value and meaning. Value is the information required for students to reach mastery at their current level, whereas meaning is the teacher's ability to make the content relevant to students. Let's talk about how to plan and prepare higher order thinking questions. First, when drafting lesson plans, questioning should be sprinkled throughout instruction to gauge students' understanding. Believe me, having questions prepared ahead of time is extremely essential that allows the teacher to be mentally present in the moment, regardless your years of experience in the teaching. Questions should start at a basic level and become more complex as students move through the lesson. Teacher will have to make adjustments to the questions or the lesson in real time as students' responses occur. Sometimes students will move through the question quickly, so teachers find some of the questions unnecessary to ask. So teacher should skip that. Other times students will struggle in between questions and the teacher will have to create a question on the fly to bridge the gap. Let's see some examples of higher order thinking questions. Here in this video I am using the revised Bloom's taxonomy as a standard in this scenario. Educators must design and plan the question gradually from remember stage of the Bloom's taxonomy towards the create stage. The level of difficulty of questions should be increased from the starter activities to the plenary. But in the real-time teaching, it depends on the level of the students as well. Teachers should decide and make changes depending on what is the best for their students. In the beginning of lesson, usually in starter activities, teachers are supposed to connect the previous class contents to the new lesson. These questions are ideal for recalling, reminding and bridging between the established knowledge of the students and the new concept. Some of the examples are on your screen. Don't worry, I will give some sample questions and some important links also so you can modify and utilize these questions in your classroom as well. During the stage of understanding, students should be able to interpret, summarize, compare and explain the content. These questions should be injected in the basic class activities such as think, pair, share. These questions will act as an opening door for the new content. Examples are here on your screen. Apply stage is the core of your lesson where students are able to execute and implement the new concept. These questions will help teacher to achieve the main objective of the lesson. Some samples are here on your screen. Analyzing stage questions are ideal to take quick assessments of the student learning when they achieved minimum one of the objectives of lesson. You can see the examples here on the screen. During the evaluation stage, the level of question is very high. So these questions are ideal for generating differentiation as per content or methodology in the class. Examples are here on your screen. The highest level according to Bloom's question is the create stage questions. These questions could be used in extension activities for high achievers, and teachers can train all students gradually to answer these type of questions. That's all for today. I'm sharing so many examples through the comment sections, so you can use these questions in your classes after modification as per your subject and levels. Thank you so much for your listening. I hope this video is very useful for you. Please don't hesitate to write an email if you need any further support, guidance, or you want to suggest and comment anything, or even any training is needed. Take care of yourself. See you in the next video. Goodbye.